This video introduces how to load the standard interface program files to a KUKA robot. Loading involves importing robot programs and configuration files into the robot system to establish communication between the vision system and the robot. We will load standard interface communication configuration files and robot example programs. These can assist us in deploying projects. Now, let's proceed with the detailed operational steps. To begin with, complete the preparation work. Ensure a 6-axis KUKA robot is selected. Make sure the controller model is KRC4. Confirm the compatibility of the versions between the controller system software and the software package Ethernet KRL. In this video, the teach pendant actions are performed on KSS 8.3. Then, set up the network connection. Check the hardware connections. Make sure the IPC's Ethernet cable is plugged into the x66 port of the robot controller. Switch the user group to expert mode. Next, set the IP address. Enter the network configuration interface. Make sure the IP address in the same subnet as that of the IPC. After this, restart the robot control system. Back up the programs already in the robot. Switch to the expert mode again. Plug a flash drive into the controller, and make sure that the flash drive shows up on the teach pendant. Press the lower right button. Select File, Archive, USB, Cabinet, and then All. Click Yes in the pop-up window to start the backup. If the following information is displayed on the teach pendant, the backup is complete. A zip file is saved to the flash drive. Unplug the flash drive. Subsequently, configure the robot communication settings and prepare the program files. Open Mech-Vision. Create a solution based on your application scenario. Click Robot Communication Configuration on the toolbar. Select the listed robot from the Select Robot drop-down menu. Click Select Robot Model. Select the robot model in use. Click Next. Make sure the interface type is Standard Interface, and the protocol is TCP Server and HEX-Endian. Click Open Program folder to find program files. Copy these program files to the flash drive. Click Apply. On the Mech-Vision interface, the robot communication configuration switch has turned blue. The above are all preparation for loading. Now, it's time to load the program files. Under the expert mode, plug the flash drive into the controller again. On the left panel of the teach pendant, select the flash drive. Then, locate the above copied folder. Copy files with .src and .dat extensions and paste them into the KRC R1 directory. Following the above steps, copy the XML file to the directory as shown in the video. Under the Ethernet KRL directory, choose the XML file and open it. Select the code of line 4. Change the IP address here to that of the IPC. Ensure the port number in line 5 must be the same as the port number in Mech-Vision. After the modification is complete, click the Close button on the left. Click Yes to save the modification. Then, restart the robot to activate the previous configurations. Switch the mode from Expert to Administrator. Next, press the lower right button. In the pop-up menu, select Shutdown to enter the shutdown interface. Select Cold Start, Reload Files, and Reboot Control PC in order. Click Yes to restart the robot. Finally, run the program to test the communication between the vision system and the robot. Open the KRC R1 folder. Select contest.src, and then click Select. Turn the key switch to horizontal, select the running mode T1. Set drives to I. Keep pressing the white enabling switch, and the green Start button to run the program. After the program has finished running, init connection OK is displayed. Then, release the enabling switch and start button. If the communication between the robot and the vision system is set up, a log will be recorded on the console tab of the log panel of Mech-Vision. Now we have loaded the standard interface program files to a KUKA robot. The robot can proceed to send commands to and request visual results from the vision system. You can refer to our documentation for more KUKA robot standard interface configuration operation.